Well, I tell you what, will you let me share just the lower half? Will you let me share it on my YouTube channel?
Sure.
All right. So this is your first day on here. How long has it been since surgery?
Wednesday the 16th.
So we're week and a half?
11 days.
Yeah, week and a half. What does this feel like?
It doesn't hurt.
Is
It feels good, like I'm getting better, stretching it out.
Would you say it's harder or easier than walking? Or the same?
I don't know. I think it's about the same, or maybe easier. I don't know.
I think it's generally a little easier.
Yeah.
So the rationale behind it is your feet are never breaking contact with the pedals.
Yeah.
So you're always having support under the foot. You are forced to take the same length of step forward as backwards. So you can't like short step, stutter step, limp, anything like that. And it gives you total support. So we're gonna stop